A lot of people recovering from shoulder surgery tell me they're suddenly hearing about peptides and wondering if they're missing something important. It can feel unsettling when new information shows up mid-recovery, especially when it's framed as something that might speed things up or fix what feels slow. I want to slow down this conversation because fear and hype are not good guides when your body is healing. I'm an orthopedic surgeon who focuses on shoulder surgery and recovery. One of the reasons peptide talk shows up so often after shoulder surgery is because recovery already feels slower than people expect. When progress feels uneven, it's natural to look for an explanation or a shortcut. That slow feeling doesn't automatically mean something's wrong. Healing after rotator cuff repair is biologically demanding, and it unfolds over months, not weeks. Tendon tissues take time to reattach and to mature, and no supplement or compound changes that basic reality. What makes peptides confusing is that they're often discussed without context. They get grouped together as they're only one thing, when in reality people are usually reacting to stories or anecdotes or marketing language rather than clear medical guidance. If you're feeling behind, it's important to separate the discomfort of waiting from the idea that you need to add something new. Feeling impatient or worried does not mean your recovery is failing. I explain this more fully in my older video called Why Recovery Feels So Slow After Rotator Cuff Repair. Check it out, that's in the link below. And if you're still in the pre-op phase or early recovery, it can also help to ground yourself in what actually matters before surgery. So I've included a free pre-op checklist, it's linked below as well, to help reduce the noise and keep your focus on the fundamentals that truly influence recovery. You don't need to decide anything today. Clarity comes from understanding what's normal, not from reacting to every new idea. Thanks, everybody. Enjoy your Monday. We'll see you next time.